Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. To those of you who are new here, my name is Naufa Noori, and while you're here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes in vegetarian. It's Palak Paneer. I absolutely love Palak Paneer and I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I have all my ingredients ready here, so without much further ado, let's jump into the video. So for this recipe, we're going to take in 2 big onions and we're going to chop it nicely. We're going to take a little bit of coriander, 5 green chilies which we're going to slit from the center, and a little bit of ginger, just about an inch. Then we're going to take 10 cloves of garlic and 1 big tomato and finely chop both of them. A bunch of spinach, 100 grams of fresh cream and 250 grams of paneer which is cut into cubes. We're going to boil water in a bowl, and then we're going to add in our whole bunch of spinach into that. Now we want to make sure that we heat the spinach only for about 2 to 3 minutes because we don't want it to become really dark in color. We just want to soften it a bit. So after about a minute, we'll add in our coriander also in this and then cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now on the side, we will take our pan for the masala and add in about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and wait for the oil to heat a little bit. To this, we will add in 1 tablespoon of cumin, and then we will add in all of our onions which were set aside. Now we will add in the ginger, and then our green chilies, and also all the garlic. Now we want to mix it nicely till the onions turn a bit translucent, and then we're going to add in all our tomatoes as well. Now till the tomatoes are going to soften in this masala, we're going to let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now I'm going to drain the palak on the side. And as soon as we've drained the palak, we have to add in cold water immediately, so the palak does not keep cooking because of the heat and it separates from each other. And that's it. Now we have to cool the palak down, and when you see that the tomatoes have also mixed and become a bit soft, we will take all the masala off the stuff into a plate on the side and cool it down for a bit because it's really hot right now. Once it's cool, we're going to take a mixer. We're going to add in our palak into that, and then also all the cooled down masala. Now we have to make a nice paste of this. In the beginning, I'm not adding any water, so you can see it's a bit thick. Now to this, I will add in just about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, not much at all, just very little. That's it. And we're going to mix it again to get it into the nice consistency, like a nice paste. It looks perfect now, smells absolutely amazing. We're going to prepare our masala on the side. We've taken 1/4 tablespoon of haldi, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/2 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 tablespoon of cumin powder. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter because the butter gives the whole curry really an amazing smell. To that butter, I'm going to add in all the spices that we had set aside. And just cook this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Once the spices have mixed nicely with the butter, I'm going to add in the palak paste that we just made and mix this well. It smells divine. We're going to nicely mix this and then just add in a little bit of water. Now to this, I'm going to add in the 100 grams of fresh cream, and mix it well, and then we add in all the paneer. The final step, we're going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of Garam Masala powder and then salt as per taste.
mix everything nicely.
That's it from me for this video, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Do try this recipe at home. It's absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comment section below what other dish would you like me to prepare for you. And if you've liked this video, give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. While you do subscribe, make sure to hit that bell icon. I will be back super soon with my next video. Till then, you take care.